Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best kitchen and bath remodeling companies using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So first, we're going to start with our targeting and location. We're going to go to San Francisco today, San Francisco, California, and we are going to leave it at 20 miles. And the reason why we're doing San Francisco today is that there is a huge demand for modern and luxury remodels in San Francisco, booming metropolitan area. So when I hit next, lock that in. Uh, then we are going to do kitchen and bath, kitchen and bath remodeling, remodeling. And as you can see, lots of companies come up in our Coldlytics sanity check, and these are definitely the companies we would want to be targeting. So I'm gonna add that, hit next, and then we're looking for owners and founders and directors and executives. We are only looking for one lead per company, so the owner. But in case they have a C-suite title, this will cover for that. Filters. Today we are just going to add a Google review score, so 3 and a 5. We want to know if these companies are credible, which means if they have a good relationship with their clients and customers. Because at the end of the day, it just means that they're going to have a good relationship with you. You know, they're not going to try to like squeeze you for any money, or they're not going to be difficult to work with. And I'm coming at this as if I'm a digital marketer, so I also want to know their SEO. Oh my goodness, Google Maps search position. So I want to look between a 6 and a 15. Anything between these two values are usually great. Anything higher than 15 is that they obviously just don't care about marketing and SEO. And anything lower than 6, you're usually dealing with like an industry leader in their demographic, and they usually already have a marketing team. They're a bit more stiffer because they're like at the top of their food chain, right? So 6 and 15 is the best area to work with. Next, lock that in. Oh, sorry, we're not going with an additional filter. We're going to go to our deliver step, and I'm going to reset this, and we're going to look at we're going to select all the metrics except for direct dial, as we are just getting direct email already. And this does cost you double the credits, 1+ per lead. So we want obviously the Google stuff. A good tip is like the GMV claimed is like such a perfect metric, because if they're in between the 6th and the 15th slot in their SEO ranking and their Google business isn't claimed, that's like such an ideal customer, and they have so much intent because it's like, hey, like here's a problem that I see you have, and I'm the solution, right? So there's a lot of like insights you can get from these metrics. Social media too. If they care about their social media but their SEO isn't good, like they're obviously just spending marketing budgeting on like the wrong place, which again, like there's a problem, and you, as the marketer, is the solution. Revenue, headcount, and data established is great to figure out like how long are you going to be working with these companies, like how valid are these companies. Yeah, and they're just like a great metric from taking your 100 good leads to 20 great leads. Ad pixel is very important, shows a lot of intent. Google Analytics, e-commerce, and WordPress are also good. Just again, filter your 100 good contacts to 20 great contacts. And then the search term ones are also good for just figuring out their SEO. So I'm gonna hit next on that, finish. Um, I am make sure to give it a title. Make sure to set the context required. I'm gonna save this as a draft. I'm gonna go back into it. I do this just in case I start the task and just in case I start the task and I wanted to go back and change something. As you can see, I'm not starting from scratch here. So I'm going to launch this. We're back out in our task overview. As you can see that it's allocating, which means that you'll have your lead sheet in 24 hours, give or take. So yeah, that's how you find the best kitchen and bath remodeling companies using Coldlytics. And I hope you guys have a great day. See you in the next one.